Beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders, I have a very beautiful and inspiring and life-saving story of James Harrison. So this man is also known as the man with the golden arm, and he has been nominated also for Australian of the Year award, and he has received many awards for his noble work. So story goes like, when James was only 14 years, he needed almost 13 liters of blood for the major chest surgery which he has undergone at that time. So he decided at that time to himself, he promised that once I will attain the age of 18, I will keep on donating the blood. And you know, my dear friends, his blood has rare plasma which has helped save lives of almost 2.5 million children. Yes, my dear friends, 2.5 million children, and not only infants, I mean babies who are in the wombs of mothers also, right? And he donated blood for almost 60 years, and he donated blood every week. From past 60 years, he donated blood every week. In a month, almost 3 times or more than 3 times. Yes, my dear friends, that's why he is known as man with the golden arm, and he kept his promise. From the age of 18, he donated till the age of 81, and he kept on donating till the time Australian government has not restricted him to donate blood, because after that age government put restrictions on blood donation. However, he was having no issues because he always wanted to save lives of people. So isn't this story interesting and inspiring? I mean, he kept on donating blood till 81. It's really inspiring, right? So it inspired me also to donate blood. I wish I could. So yes, so please keep on doing this charity work, keep on sharing, keep on spreading the kindness and love in the universe. You will feel really good, and it will be such a noble thing to save lives of new babies, right? And yes, my dear friends, so this is the story. I'll be posting the link in the description box. Anyone who wants to go through the detailed story, they may go through. And today I have a very simple wellness mantra. So wellness mantra is, I have already told you about meditation, right? And chanting in meditation also. So many people still are not able to do even with one word. So because they face certain thoughts, right? Our thoughts govern our meditation and mind system a lot. We may get into fearful state, or we may get into hatred state, right? So whatever state you are right now experiencing while meditating, because we are not doing anything, and we have to stay positive when we are not doing anything. So you can choose just one thought. Suppose if you are having fear of some unknown, unforeseen situations, you can just say, I am fearless soul, I am fearless soul, right? So if you are feeling hate for someone, you can just say that I choose to be loved, and I choose love over everything. I love humanity, I love universe, I love everything, right? So just one liner, and for 2 minutes to 5 minutes, that's it. You can set the alarm also. You can see the shift which will happen in your mind. It will be great for your health, for your heart, body, mind and soul, right? So this is such a simple wellness mantra. So please try it out and let me know what are the results in the chat box. And please keep on sharing this story and keep on sharing these wellness mantras with someone who really need this, right? So let me know what is the effect and if you have done this. However, I would have explained in detail, but if you will try with this small thing, there will be a lot of shift happen in your heart, mind and soul, right? I can explain with a small example. You just say that this is my hand. You don't say that I am this hand. However, you are the owner of this hand. I never said that I am hand, right? So I'm having this body. I never say I am body, right? So just watch the words and watch the sentences which we say. So whatever we are, we need to discover our true self, and we can only discover that by saying I am loved, I choose to be happy, I am confident. So something like that, right? But you never say I am body, right? So this is the wellness mantra. I'm fearless. You can say certain words which you really want to become. I'm confident, I'm fearless, and try it out. And please share this with someone who really need it and share this story. So thank you so much and love to you all. And thanks a lot for sharing, subscribing, and watching. Bye bye. Take care.